Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you back once again to another video. We, all of us, had a very great year. The year is yet to end. Still, 2020 has been a tremendous year for all of us. It has taught us so many new values, so many new ways of life, and it has taught us to be patient. And with regard to values, it has made us more empathetic, it has made us more responsible, and it has taught us the value of relationships. And as an aspirant, for you, what it has taught, in my opinion, it has taught you one of the greatest values, that how to deal with uncertainties. The entire year was uncertain. We expected UPSC to conduct prelims as per the timetable in the month of May or June, but it was postponed. We didn't know when it was going to be conducted. And during those 3-4 months, when things were going very uncertain for every one of us, we had to come together. We as an institution, as a website where we have huge number of aspirants coming every day, more than 1.25 lakh unique visitors visit every day. So we had that responsibility to make sure that the students were not disturbed, confused, or distracted. So in that regard, we extended our revision timetable for another 2 to 3 months. We put a team where they started giving you more questions. We made sure that your preparation was on track, it was consistent. And at the same time, we extended deadlines for our test series. We added more tests, IPM, prelim test series, main test series, and we started engaging with you through YouTube. We started making videos. We started listening to you more keenly. So all these, from our perspective, made sure that we started understanding your problems as an aspirant, and hope we did our best to respond to those problems. And at the same time, as an aspirant who was preparing for this exam, not knowing when the exam was going to be conducted, or whether the exam was going to be conducted or not, you also stood up to the challenge and accepted the uncertainty. Many of you, of course, some of you have failed and some of you have cleared the preliminary exam, and some of you are going to write the mains examination in the first week of January. In few days, we will be entering the new year, and what is going to be your resolution for new year? So first of all, let me wish that the new year going to be very less uncertain. We hope it will be more certain for you in terms of examination, in terms of the outcome also. I, on behalf of our team, sincerely hope that you get the certain result, the expected result. You will go on to clear prelims, you will go on to clear mains, and you will go on to do well in interview as well, coming up with very good rank. But that will start with a resolution, the resolution you make today, not the resolutions like you will wake up at 5 o'clock, you will go for jogging, you will lose this much weight, and you will try to be more athletic, energetic, or whatever. These are the resolutions which we break very easily. But this resolution should be a long-term one, where your aspiration, your ambition doesn't stop at getting the rank. It should be beyond getting the rank. So what you should be aspiring, or the resolution should be, is that treat every day from January 1 onwards till you get the rank as a day that everything you do is part of your duty. Let us assume that you are an employee of, say, Amazon or Google or Microsoft or any other organization. So if you are employed and you are going to work for 20-25 days, what will you do? You will, if the job is between 9 to 7 p.m., you will wake up at 7 o'clock, you will take bath, you will have breakfast without failure, unless you are ill. Every day you will go to the job, not because that they are going to give you salary, because you have accepted the job as part of your duty, that to be done as a responsibility, as a son or as a daughter or whatever it is, or a self responsibility. You will go to the job every day. Why not treat the entire preparation in the same manner every day? Next year, stop complaining about everything. Stop complaining about what you don't have and what others have, how others are good at some things and why you are not good at something. Stop complaining. Treat every day of your preparation as a job. So morning, let it be morning 5 a.m. to uh, 11 or 10 p.m. Get immersed, involved in this preparation. Make it a 1 year journey, one attempt journey. It is perfectly possible, provided you change your attitude, the way you look at the preparation. If it changes, everything changes for you. The result will be favorable to you. It not only brings better results to you, as a personality also you will grow. As I said, thankfully the year has taught us to deal with uncertainties and take it forward. Be ready for uncertainties. Even though when you are trying hard to make things certain, challenges will come on your way. The exam might get difficult. The paper get for example, CSAT got very difficult for us, for everyone. Even people from IITs, IIMs, everyone has failed in CSAT this year. People with ranks, people who gave interviews, they have failed in CSAT paper. The same thing might continue. So what is the best bet against that uncertainty? That is training hard, practice more every day. So be prepared for each and every part of the examination, and that will prepare you for the life itself. So hope you will have a very great year, you, us together. And as we did this year, next year also we will be with you, and we'll make sure that we will continue to listen to you and continue to help you as much as we can, hoping for a great result from your side next year. So wish you all the best. Take care and wish you a very happy new year 2021. Thank you.